includes 9 major figures, plus Superstar number 1, 10 minutes solo display which will be performed while the rest of the team prepares for landing. Innovation and precision flying are two main characteristics of the Superstar's flying program. Another turn is in making, as you can see. Engines are held at 80% power, and angle is needed between 37 and 45 degrees. Soon we will see yet another symbolic salute. Flying at low speed, with gears and brakes, with gears down and air brakes engaged, Superstars will pass near the control tower and release 4 flares symbolizing 4C Virtual Squad logo and name. This flare is just about to be released. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, 4 flares symbolizing 4C squad logo and name. Well, the preparation is already going on for the first aerobatic element. Superstars will now perform a classic loop aerobatic maneuver. The initial entry speed over here is around 600 kilometers per hour. And as the airplanes are climbing, the speed will be bleeding. At the top of the loop, the speed will drop to about 260 kilometers per hour. G loads is up to 3G. Although this seems to be small, talking about the G loads here, increasing the G load in a maneuver makes it harder for the pilots to maintain precise position and to preserve formation geometry. This is called stability. Flying with more than 3G in a very close and stable formation is virtually impossible. Now exiting from the loop, our Superstars are in preparation for the next maneuver, which is a roll over the left wing. They're already in it. This maneuver is performed in straighted plane. The purpose of the maneuver is speed reduction through altitude gain as well as turn radius reduction. Reducing the turn radius will keep the group close to the cameras. In this maneuver, the speed drops to about 340 kilometers per hour, while bank angle was as high as 90 degrees depending on how fast the group needed to turn. G loads were equal or less than 2G. Superstars are already preparing for the next maneuver, which is the right bend loop. Entry speed is 600 kilometers per hour. The loop is performed close to the control tower. Here they are. Bank angles might be as high as 90 degrees with G loads up to 2.5G. The exit speed from this maneuver is about 450 kilometers, and our Superstars will be flying as low as 100 meters. All right. Now Superstars are going to perform a roll over the right wing maneuver in order to line up with the runway for the next interesting element. What's going to happen over here is after lining up with the runway, the speed will be about 600 kilometers per hour and altitude of approximately 200 meters. The lead element will fly upside down and 4 flares will be released near to the control tower, creating interesting visual effects. So superstars are just going into a turn over the right wing. Same purpose over here, reducing the speed through altitude gain. As well as keeping that turn radius as small as possible so as to stay as close to the audience antennas as possible. Alright, lead elements will separate in a moment. Here we go, lead element is flying upside down. Flares will be released any moment now. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, 4 sets of flares released, creating indeed very interesting visual effect. Smokes trails are now off and the lead is rolling back to normal flight. Well, this roll within a close-packed group is a really tricky maneuver because the wings of an aircraft, which of course are optimized for normal flight, they tend to decenter the airplane during the roll. So pilots need to be well trained to perform this roll without much path deviation. Superstars are now going to roll over the left wing, reducing the speed and turn radius so as to prepare for the next figure. And ladies and gentlemen, the next figure is Amor's Heart. True innovative way to perform this very difficult figure. What's going to happen here is one ship will separate from the group early, and that's the one that will end up creating a white circle around the heart. Another ship will separate at the beginning of creating the heart, and this ship will fly the arrow through the heart. And the remaining 2 airplanes will create an actual heart. Here we go, they're started. Let us just watch and enjoy. Wow, pretty good job these guys did, huh? Very nice indeed. Well, this was a very difficult figure where each pilot flies independently, performing his part, and all of that had to be timed to create a circle, Amor's heart, and arrow in the sky. Training techniques of the superstars allowed this maneuver to be performed without any spatial voice coordination between pilots during the maneuver. Next comes a spiral and crossover. Preparation for this figure lasts a bit longer because the team is working hard to perfectly position themselves along the airstrip and in front of the audience. In this maneuver, Superstars number 3, call sign Clown, will take the lead, while Superstars number 1, call sign DolphiN, will move to the left wing position. The team will line up with the runway